You're listening to the Finance Magnates Daily Brief, brought to you by Finance Magnates Intelligence.
Today's Tuesday, the 18th of August, 2026, and these are our main stories. AI agents raise questions over trading liability, Swissquote warns Russian customers of possible closures, and OKX Europe CEO on Binance-linked inflows surge. To begin today, AI agents are moving closer to retail trading, but regulation has yet to catch up. Finance Magnates reports that brokers are connecting agents to trading accounts, raising questions over who is responsible when an automated system makes a bad trade. Robinhood says customers are solely responsible for how their agents are built and resulting actions. Regulators are considering safeguards such as kill switches and circuit breakers, while legal experts say existing algorithmic trading rules could apply in some cases. A further issue is whether firms can reconstruct an agent's decisions after a disputed trade. This could lead to new requirements around transaction records, controls, and what some experts call know your agent rules. Meanwhile, Swissquote has warned around 600 customers, most of them users, about possible account closures. The notices went to Russian citizens living in Switzerland, including permanent residents. Swissquote's CEO Mark Berkey said the accounts have not been closed and the bank is reviewing possible solutions. He said the move is linked indirectly to Russian citizenship, but is driven by the cost of additional monitoring, sanction screening, and checks on the origin of assets. In some cases, notices also went to Russian nationals with Swiss citizenship, because the bank may not have complete information on second citizenships. Turning to crypto, OKX Europe CEO Errol Goose says the exchange saw EU app downloads rise 160% in the 12 days after Binance withdrew its MiCA application in Greece. OKX also reported that inflows from Binance-linked accounts grew more than eightfold. Finance Magnates' review of aggregate on-chain balances, however, found that OKX and Binance moved in the same direction over the same period, leaving the scale of any customer migration unconfirmed. Goose also said 95% of European crypto derivatives volume remains offshore. On the equity side, Kraken has launched U.S.-listed stock trading for eligible customers across the European Economic Area. More than 7,000 U.S. equities are available under its MiFID II authorization. Customers can hold traditional shares alongside X stocks in the same regulated account. Kraken says X stocks have generated more than $38 billion in transaction volume since launch, and unlike traditional shares, they can be traded when public equity markets are closed. Finally, Revolut is considering entering Australia's mortgage market after receiving its first Asia-Pacific banking license. The company has 1.2 million Australian customers, and CEO Matt Baxby said home lending could be a possible next step. No mortgage product, interest rate, or launch date has been announced. The banking approval allows Revolut to take deposits and expand credit products directly. Australia's four largest lenders control at least 70% of the banking market, including mortgages. That's your Finance Magnates Daily Brief for August 18th, 2026. For the full stories, head to financemagnates.com. We'll be back tomorrow. Stay sharp.